Hi everyone! Welcome to Math with Miss Fudge. Today we're going to master multiplying by two-digit numbers step by step. Once you see the pattern, you will be able to solve these problems with confidence every time. Let's multiply 34 by 22. First we start multiplying from the ones place. So 2 multiplied by 4 gives us 8. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Now when multiplying by two-digit number, it's advisable to always put a zero placeholder in the ones place. And I love to call this Mr. Zero. We need to put 0 in the ones place because we're going to start multiplying with the tens. So this helps you not to start filling up your answers in the ones place. You start putting your answers here in the tens place. So let's multiply by the 2 in the tens place. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 3 is 6. Now we go ahead to add the partial products. 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. Write the 4, regroup the 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. So the answer is 748. 247 multiplied by 23. Start multiplying from the ones place. 3 times 7 is 21. Write the 1, regroup the 2. Now multiply the 3 with the 4. 3 times 4 is 12. Add the regrouped number, which is 2. So 12 plus 2 is 14. Write the 4, regroup the 1. Now 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. Put the 0 placeholder, Mr. 0, and start multiplying with the tens. 2 times 7 is 14. Write down the 4, regroup the 1. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1, 9. And then 2 times 2 is 4. Add up the partial products. 1 plus 0 is 1. 4 plus 4 is 8. 9 plus 7 is 16. Write 6, regroup 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. So the answer is 5,681. 175 times 14. Start multiplying from the ones place. 4 times 5 is 20. Write the 0, regroup the 2. 4 times 7 is 28 plus 2, 30. Write down the 0, regroup the 3. 4 times 1 is 4 plus the regroup 3, 7. Put the 0 placeholder, Mr. 0. Multiply with the tens place. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 1 is 1. Add up the partial product. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 7 plus 7 is 14. Write down the 4. Regroup the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. The answer is 2,450. 12 times 64. Start multiplying from the ones place. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 1 is 4. Put Mr. 0 in the ones place, which is the 0 placeholder. Now multiply with the tens. 6 times 2 is 12. Write down the 2, regroup the 1. 6 times 1 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Add up the partial product. 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 2 is 6. And 7 plus nothing is 7. Good job, everyone. If this video helped you understand two-digit multiplication, Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more math videos. Until I come your way next time. Bye.